Welcome to Waqar Teaches. This is video 8, explaining question 8 of the end of year sample exam. And this question is about direct variation. Let's have a look at the question. Okay, so the question says, which graph shows direct variation? You have the choice of A, B, C or D. Before I start to answer this question, I want to tell you about direct variation. There are two things that must be present for a graph to show direct variation. The first one is it must be a straight line. And the second one is that it must pass through the origin or that's 0, 0. Okay, so now let's have a look at these two things, and see if these four graphs meet that criteria. So the first one, there must be a straight line. I'm sorry for my drawing, but all of these are straight lines. So for number 1, we can put a tick for all of these. It must be a straight line. For number 2, let's have a look. For number 2, it must pass through 0, 0. 0, 0 is the point where the x and the y axis meet. So it's this point here, 0, 0. Now, does this pass through 0, 0, which is this point here? No, it doesn't. What about this? Does this pass through 0, 0 here? And the answer is no, it doesn't. Does this pass through 0, 0 here? The answer is no, it doesn't. And does this pass through 0, 0 here? And the answer is yes, it does. So of these four graphs, there is only one graph that has both number 1 and number 2 as true. So the answer for this question is B. Answer for this question is B. Okay, let's do some practice questions for this. Okay, so the question says, do the following graphs show direct variation? Write T for true if it does, and F for false if it doesn't. So here we have 6 graphs. I want you to pause the video now and check if these graphs have direct variation. Remember to use the 2 rules that I showed you with the question. Pause the video now and write T or F for them and check the 2 rules. Okay, so here we have number 1. As you can see, it's a curve. It's not a straight line, but it does go through 0, 0. So because 1 is wrong, it's false. Both have to be correct, true. Remember that, both have to be true. This line, it's a straight line and it goes through 0, 0. So it's true. This one, it's like a zigzag. It goes through 0, 0, but it's not a straight line. So it's false. This one is a straight line and it goes through 0, 0, the origin, so it's true. This one is a straight line but it does not go through the origin, so it's false. And this one is a straight line but it does not go through the origin, so it's false. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a message after the video and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you.